Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another new video. So today I have with my best friend, and we are both from English department. So today he is going to give you some idea about how tough is it to acquire good
Zero
mark uh,
in
in English level test. So recently he has set for uh, level test exam at Asunna Skill Development Institute, and he has done really well. He secured sixth position in his exam. So I would like to know something how he acquired this position. So could you please give some idea?
yeah, obviously. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mizan Rahman again, and recently I have completed
Yeah,
my B1 and B2. I mean intermediate and upper intermediate
yeah,
level,
that's great.
and I got promoted to C1. I mean advanced level. So before going this C1 level, I had to face so tough this situation.
Yeah.
I had to study hard, and I had to study huge. I mean, not only study books, but also I had to listen so many English podcast, English speeches like TED Talk or other something English speeches. So as I got promoted in this level, obviously I had to study hard, and yeah,
So how
this.
how how they examined you? How they?
Yes, I had set for I mean I had to give the exam in
Yeah. So yeah, yeah.
four module, as you know, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. First, I had to give three. I mean, reading, writing, and listening. Then my teacher called me to give my
Speaking test.
speaking test,
So
and
that's
I
great.
sat for it. And Alhamdulillah, I was sixth in position within
Yeah.
my class.
So how could you please give me some information about the question? So how is important for a student to know his level?
Obviously, it's very important to know his level, because I think we everyone knows a little bit English, or
Yeah.
more, or I mean better English, or not. Someone maybe better and someone not better. But if you I mean, if you give this kind of level test, you can judge yourself how much English do you know
Yeah,
actually.
so
So
yes, I know that something about this, that according to CEFR, there have six
six level,
levels
yes.
for examining a students. Which level does a student belong to? Suppose A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. So there's the six steps for a student to go upward. So we are currently now at C1 level according to our teachers examination, and how obviously we have struggled a lot and studied really hard for acquiring this place. So what do you think? Would you be able to improve your level C1 to C2 in near future?
Inshallah, in near future, my
Yeah.
target is to go C2 level within 4 to 6 months.
So yeah,
Inshallah.
C2 level is quite similar to proficiency. Okay,
Yes.
so in that level you can easily express yourself, your ideas, thoughts, and ideology with another people. That would be great. And
You will understand
yes,
easily.
obviously
Yeah.
you will be able to use sophisticated words in your conversation, which we
Yes.
can't use now that much. But obviously we know something which may upgrade our level. So there's the way of you can say acquiring a healthy score in examination, which my friend have experienced. So there's the
And
thing.
you also
Yeah. So
experienced.
I don't like to share with you my
you,
level, obviously,
yeah.
but don't share with.
Your level is
So
more
no, yes,
than
obviously.
you are already belong
So,
to C
so
on
thank you,
this.
brother, for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.
Aslam